This is an AB calculus problem that deals with the mean value theorem, and this is a problem from a recent test we had. And usually when you're given a problem on a calculus test, it's not going to be exposed. This is this kind of problem. You have to look at the problem and decide yourself. Well, what you have, whenever you see, here you have the graph of y equals fx on the closed interval from -3 to 7 as shown in figure above. If f is continuous on the closed interval from -3 to 7 and differentiable on the interval from -3 to 7, then there exists a c between -3 and 7 such that, and you have your options. What you have is when it says exist or must be, this is called an existence theorem problem. And whenever you have an existence theorem problem, you have three main choices. You have the intermediate value theorem, you have the mean value theorem, or you have value theorem. I meant to just put, and you have Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem is really just application, a certain condition of the mean value theorem. And so you have to describe what they are, okay? So here you have a point here at looks like -3, 4, and you have looks like an arc or a curve connecting that point to the point 7, 2. And so what you have is, they could say, well, you have f of c. Most of these are f prime of c. You see this f prime, with f of c equals 0. Actually, the answer f of c equals 0 could be an intermediate value theorem situation if this one point here on the right was below the x-axis, but we don't see that. And so we're dealing with an f prime. See, all these are f prime, right? F prime. Well, we have a mean value theorem situation, and essentially mean value theorem says that the average rate of change between 2 points, meeting all these conditions above about continuity and differentiability, is equal to the instantaneous rate of change. And so if all the conditions are true for continuity and differentiability, which they are here, you are going to have a point C such that the instantaneous rate of change is going to equal the average rate of change. And so if we find what the average rate of change is, we will know what an instantaneous range would have to be. So we have f of b minus f of a over b minus a. Well, f of b is equal to 2. Over here on the left, f of a is equal to 4. And so what we have is 2, which is f of b, minus f of a, which is 4, over b minus a, and here b is equal to 7, and a is equal to -3, so b minus a is 7 minus -3, which is, simplifies to -2 over 10, which simplifies to -1/5. And this is one of these problems where you can just look at the graph and kind of draw between these 2 points and estimate a slope. If you had to do it quickly, You'd have to have a negative slope. It would have to be a faint slope. -5 would be too steep a slope. So that's what it is, and really should be quite a simple problem. Good luck, and thanks for viewing.